This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Demartini. Enjoy beautiful sunsets from the 5th floor overlooking the golf course. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Apartment has large primary bedroom with large walk-in closet, and spacious living, dining area, laundry facilities in the same floor, assigned parking, 24-hour security guard at the gate, security cameras throughout the community, multiple amenities, pool, tennis and basketball courts, gym, bowling and much more. This is a quiet 55 and older community. For more information, review the details below or contact Demartini at 786-587-2679.